Hi there, Melody for WTI, here to talk to you about this gorgeous coat from MOERDENG. There is so much that I love about this coat, so I'm going to have to share it all with you. First of all, I love the color. It's denim. It comes in so many other different colors. It has the beautiful fluff material here on the inside for the best heat retention. The material that it's made out of is really tough. It is waterproof, windproof, so it's good in even misty, rainy, kind of sleet kind of days. It is so warm, so comfortable. The material is awesome, and the zipper comes off on the hood here, so you could either have a hood or not. And there's no shortage of pockets in this gorgeous coat. We've got the two in the front, one above it, and then one on the inside. This is just the side zipper here. So pocket for everything that you need. Such a fun coat, from the easy zipper to the adjustable wrist straps, all the pockets, and it's true to size. So order what you would normally take. So if you're looking for a new coat to enjoy the great outdoors, whether it's walking, hiking, skiing, snowboarding, I suggest this one from MOERDENG. I love it. It is so comfortable, so warm, and just really, really good quality. I'm very impressed with it. That's my point of view.